Is 800-922-0204 a scam number? The number 800-922-0204 is actually the official Verizon wireless customer service line. It's used for billing and upgrades, technical troubleshooting, and account management. However, scammers have been known to spoof this number to impersonate Verizon representatives and attempt to steal personal information. If you receive a call from this number, it's important to verify the caller's identity before sharing any sensitive information. If you suspect a scam, you can report it to Verizon directly. Bonus tips for securing your Verizon account. Protecting your Verizon account ensures your personal information, devices, and data remain safe. Here are some essential security tips. 1. Use strong and unique passwords. Create a password with at least 12 characters, combining uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and special symbols. Avoid easily guessed information like birthdays or names. Update your password regularly. 2. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, how asterisk, sign into My Verizon Online. Go to Account Settings, Security Settings. Enable 2FA for an extra layer of security. Y asterisk adds a verification step when logging in from a new device. 3. Set up account PIN/password. Verizon requires a unique account PIN or password for customer service interactions. Create a PIN under account security in the My Verizon app or website. 4. Use Verizon security features. Verizon Call Filter app * blocks spam and robocalls. Digital Secure app * provides antivirus, identity theft monitoring, and secure browsing. 5. Monitor account activity. Regularly check your account for unauthorized changes, log into My Verizon and review recent transactions. Enable account alerts for suspicious activity notifications. 6. Protect devices linked to your account. Use device lock features like Face ID, fingerprint scans, or PINs. Enable Find My Device on your phone to locate or wipe data remotely if lost. 7. Be cautious of phishing scams. Avoid suspicious emails and texts. Verizon will never ask for sensitive data like passwords via email or text. Verify links. Hover over links in messages to check their authenticity. Report phishing. Forward suspicious emails to phishing@verizon.com. 8. Update contact information. Ensure your email and phone number are up to date so Verizon can contact you in case of security issues. 9. Use secure connections. Avoid public Wi-Fi when accessing your Verizon account. Use a virtual private network, VPN, for added protection. 10. Be aware of social engineering attacks. Be cautious about sharing personal information over the phone, especially if the caller seems suspicious. Verizon customer service will verify your identity using your account PIN, not personal questions. Following these tips can help keep your Verizon account secure and your personal information protected.